Glam dolls, what's up? Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley from Sparkle Faith and Glam. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. If you're new, go ahead and click that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell so you can be part of my notification glam squad. Today is going to be a little bit of a different video. We're going to be doing the do your makeup without a mirror challenge, and I'm a little nervous. I have my son behind the camera so he can make sure I'm focused and make sure everything's going good. This is a mirror that I normally use, so we're gonna go ahead and put that to the side. That's my grandma's mirror. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started. This is so weird to me because I've never done this without a mirror. So we're just gonna start with primer. I'm gonna use the Rimmel Stay Matte. And we're just gonna put that on. And we're gonna try and do this as fast as we could. Okay, snap, this is gonna be so hard. My eyebrows.
You're doing good.
How am I gonna do my eyebrows? This is hard. I knew this was going to be the hardest part.
You're actually doing good.
Am I?
Yeah. You're landing it on the eyebrow.
Cool. This is so weird.
Landing it a bit above.
It's okay, you can't tell me. Okay?
Okay.
And we're using the Anastasia Brow Dip Brow, as always. Okay. Is that right? Am I even drawing anything?
Yes.
This is so hard. This is weird. So I don't know. I'm just trying to follow my eyebrow, and I think I'm good because I don't know. I can't see. My eyebrows don't normally take me that little time, but I don't know. We'll see. I think the eyebrows are the hardest part. And then we're gonna take, this is just a Fill and Tame little eyebrow gel.
Oh.
Shoot, this is so hard. So yeah, I'm gonna try, after my brows, I'll try and talk a little bit. That feels like it got off the brow. Oh, okay, you guys, this is my brows. Next, we're going to use the Sonia Kashuk brush with, of course, the Ulta Beauty Tinted Moisturizer because it is hot in Vegas and I'm not trying to be sweating off foundation. This part, I feel like it's going to be easy. But yes, so we're going to, I'm gonna record this video and then I have to re-record the video I did with my aunt. Yeah, because that one was such bad lighting and it's not worth putting it up. And this brush, I do feel like it kind of drags on my skin. Shoot, this is the hard part too. So I kind of want to get the Y6. Y6? Yeah.
I think so.
Yeah, Junior?
Yeah, pretty much. Even though I have no idea what it is.
But this does blend out pretty well. It just, I feel like it drags my skin. And I'm not about that life because I don't want to look old.
You're not old, and
Oh.
you don't look old.
Thank you, Boo.
You're welcome.
Alright, next we're going to do, I would say that this feels like it's blended out well. So next we're going to do concealer, and we're going to use the Revelation Conceal and Define, and we're just gonna drag that down.
Hey, Fifi Poo. Don't.
My dog is right here being crazy. Alright, so we're gonna blend that in, and normally I would do like a sponge, but I forgot to wet a sponge, so we're just gonna go back in with this one and Kashuk. And I feel like this will be kind of difficult to know if it's blended out or not. Oh, and I gotta conceal my eyes too, so I might as well do that at the same time. So again, we're gonna go in with we're just gonna pat that in. So I think that that's blended out pretty well. On my left eye, I don't know about my right eye. I don't know if it's blended out, but we're just gonna say that one is, and we're just gonna move on. Don't tell me nothing, Jenner. He's trying to cheat.
No, I'm honestly not. I'm trying to tell her something else.
Are you trying to tell me? Say it out loud if it's not, doesn't have nothing to do with this. Oh, don't do those.
Aww.
My arm is tired from blending because I don't know if it's blended or not, and I feel like I'm getting in my eyebrows. And alright, I think everything's blended. Alright, next we're going to put some powder under our eyes so we can set our eyes. I'm using the Airspun loose powder. Just pack that on there and then over here. I'm going to use my Sonia Kashuk and powder brush and just like powder up the rest of my face because I like matte. Alright, and next we're going to do bronzer. This isn't actually too hard. I don't think it's been that hard. The bronzing part might be a little, because I can't really see like if it's blended or if it's dark or wet. So yeah, what was I talking about earlier? I was talking about, oh, my next videos. So we're gonna re-record my aunt's video of me doing her makeup so it can be better quality for you guys. I think this is bronze enough. I don't know. Oh, got a bronze. Okay, then we will use the blush. We're gonna use NARS blush. We are going to use Sonia Kashuk brush, and
I have no idea who that is.
It's time for eyeshadow now. Oh,
Dun.
let's bake our side, our face. Oh, I forgot to contour my nose. We'll see how this goes. I'm gonna bring it up to the eyebrow so it can look more natural. This is so weird without a mirror. Okay, so next we'll be doing the eyeshadow. We're going to be going in with the NYX palette, Warm Neutrals. And this, when I first got this, I was using this all the time. I love this palette. It's really cute. And we're just going to go in with a Sonia Kashuk. I think this is like just a crease brush. And we're just going to go in and this is going to be weird. Okay. We're just going to dust the whole eyelid to set the concealer we put up there. And next we're gonna go in with color and this color. And we're just gonna go in our crease. I'm gonna bring it out a little bit, hopefully it's just a little bit. I'm gonna dip it in a little bit more because I can't remember how pigmented these are. Blend, blend, blend. All right, hopefully that's blended well. And then same thing, crease. Oh snap, I'm nervous. I take a clean brush and kind of blend that out and like make sure there ain't not too much over here. Okay. Next we're gonna go kind of deep. So next we're gonna go into this color here. And we're just gonna pack it in. And when you don't have much on it, which I don't know when, I don't, so I'm just gonna start moving it over. Pack it in. How does it look so far?
Good.
Okay, next, I don't know, because I really want to use, okay, we're gonna go on with this color, and we're gonna blend that, we're gonna pack that in real deep in, right here. Shoot, I'm a little nervous for that one. I'm nervous. I was gonna look in the mirror, but there's no mirror.
Ooh, you're trying to cheat.
No, I just forgot I was trying to not do this without a mirror. So I'm gonna get a clean brush and just try and blend it. So at least I know it'll be blended, hopefully. I don't know if it'll look good, but it'll be blended. Next, we're gonna go in with, so we're gonna take this, I think it's called a pencil brush. And we're gonna go into this color here.
We didn't see it.
Oh, we're gonna go in with this color here.
Yeah.
And we're just gonna, there's a lot of fallout. We're just gonna go on the bottom lash line. And just kind of make it smoky because I don't know how that concealer turned. Oh snap, we forgot to dust off the under eye.
You're forgetting a lot of stuff.
Well, because I don't have a mirror. It's hard. Okay, go back in. That seemed like it was really messy. Okay, then we're gonna go in with the tighter brush, this one, and we're gonna go in with this color. We're gonna try and get it on that lash line. This is weird. Okay, we're gonna blend that out just in case that looks crazy. Next, we're gonna go into the Pixie by Petra, and we're going to use gold medal, this one. And this one I always go in with my finger. I don't know why, that's just what I do. Ooh, I felt fallout on that. And these are pretty pigmented, so I'm gonna say that this is on there pretty well.
What is fallout?
When the eyeshadow falls on your face.
Oh, makes sense.
So we're gonna bring that to about middle of our eye. And then I'm gonna kind of blend it. I'm just gonna blend it with my finger like that into the other shade. At least that's what I think I'm doing. Oh, fudge. Did I get something on my... Okay. Then we'll even bring it down here. My son is laughing, so what does that mean? Alright, so
I can't tell you.
I'm gonna dust off my face because I feel like there's fallout. Okay, next we're going to do eyeliner. So we're not going to be doing liquid eyeliner because I don't normally do that. So I struggle with that. So I'm gonna really struggle if I try and do it. So we're just gonna put this in our waterline. Alright, next we're gonna go on with our mascara. We're gonna start with the Artistry, and that is the Length and Definition. Next we'll do Sephora. Do our bottom lashes. Highlights. Highlight, we're gonna go in Pixie by Petra. And we're gonna go on our nose. I feel like I forgot something. Alright, on my lips. Today we're just gonna go in with Mellow Matte Liquid Lip Paint, and this is gonna be kind of hard because I already have small lips. And oh, we're gonna just set our face. How does it look?
Amazing. Take a look for yourself.
And bring out the mirror now. Where's it at? Oh, here it is. I'm nervous, I'm nervous, I'm nervous. Oh my gosh, especially for my eyebrows. Oh snap! Hey, that's not too bad. I mean, this lipstick, of course, is messed up a little bit. The eyebrow is kind of like
Go a bit high.
Hey, that wasn't too bad. That's crazy. I totally didn't think I knew my face that well. But
well, it turns out you did.
I guess I do. All right, well, that sums it up. I think I did a pretty good job. That was crazy. That was like really crazy. I didn't think I knew my face that well, but I guess I do. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. It means the world to me. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and click that subscribe button, like, comment, and hit that notification bell. And I will see you guys next time. Peace out.